Okay, so we have a given slider crank mechanism. We want to determine the instantaneous velocity Vc. So if link AB rotates at uniform angular speed of 2 radian per second in counterclockwise direction, given the angle theta 3 negative 16.09, and then as the previous example, no, said in the position analysis, you have 20 centimeter AB, 62.5 BC, and angle theta 2 is 60 degrees. Okay, so to solve for that, we have already a way to solve for the instantaneous velocity Vc. So Vc here is actually a little bit complicated. So R2 omega 2, and then that is sine theta 2. Oh, sine theta 2, and then you have minus R3 omega 3 sine theta 3. Okay, what's next? No, so you have also um in order to solve for this, we need to know omega 2 and omega 3. So only omega 2 is given. So this is omega 2. No? So omega 2. So we need to know for omega 3. So for omega 3, how do we solve for omega 3? No? So omega 3 here is equal to what? So negative omega 2, you have R2. R2 ba to? It should be R2, no? R2 over R3. So R2 over R3, and then you have cosine theta 2 over cosine theta 3. Ayan. Okay. So everything here is given, no? So you can solve for omega 3. Okay, so assuming that you also solve for theta 3. So kung wala pa yung theta 3, you need to solve for theta 3 first. Okay, so how do we solve this? You have um how do we do this? We can start with VC, sorry, omega 3, no? So omega 3 here, I'll just use a calculator. So you have omega 2, so negative omega 2. Okay. In the counterclockwise, so it should be positive, no? So negative 2, although there is a negative here, so negative of positive 2. And then R2 over R3, so 20 over 62.5. Then you have the ratio of cosines, no? So cosine theta 2 is 60 over negative 16.09. So the angular velocity is negative 0.333. So negative 0.333, no? Yes, 30 radian per second, no? So we want to solve for VC. So to solve for VC in here, guys, we just substitute everything, no? So these are given, right? Okay, okay, this is already solved for. So R2, you have R2 here, so 20, omega 2 is 2, sine theta 2, 60, and then minus R3, 62.5, and omega 3, so times negative, so yeah, times negative 0.333, and then you have cos, actually it should be sine pala, no? Cosine ba nalagay ko? Okay. Sine pala, sine negative 16.09. So the answer is 28 point, but, oh, where did I go wrong? 22 sine theta. Huh? It should be negative nga pala to. Negative rin pala to. My bad. Should be negative, no? So it should be negative. So the answer should be negative 40.41. No, 40.41. Actually, it should be positive here. Negative means here, negative just mean that it is rotating in counterclockwise, no? sorry, clockwise direction. So, clockwise direction pag ganun, no? Is that right? That doesn't seem right, no? Hmm. So we have here an infinitely long link. So if it is rotating clockwise, that should be wrong, no? So this should be rotating pala on the left, no? It's quite interesting, no? So it should be on the left lang pala, kaya VC is negative. Okay. Should be negative because it is going to the left. Okay, so that's it. If you have any questions, you can just message me or you can message me in G chats, no? Okay. Sige, thank you guys and good luck.